always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
And I bake bread.
I used to bake like that once upon a time, but not anymore. This video is going to show you how to make keto bread rolls. It's a new recipe. I haven't used it before, but I'm sure I'm going to make this work. So if you're interested to see me try to make this new keto bread roll recipe, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need apple cider vinegar, baking powder, sesame seeds, but that's optional, 1 cup of hot boiling water, 3 egg whites, 5 tablespoons psyllium husk, 1 1/4 cups of coconut flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so to the dry ingredients, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, good stir, 2 teaspoons of the apple cider vinegar, egg whites go in. Last but not least, I'm going to add the hot water. And with your hands, just start kneading it till it gets into like a Play-Doh consistency. On a lined baking dish, I'm going to now make the actual rolls. I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top, but like I said, this part is optional. If you don't want sesames on them, then don't put them on there. Now this goes into an oven for about 50 to 60 minutes at 175 Celsius. So the rolls are out of the oven and they look crunchy. They look like bread rolls, and now I'm just going to crack one open so you can see what it looks on the inside. This is a keto, no sugar, low carb, beautiful equivalent to your regular bread roll. The recipe was a success. The bread turned out really well, and I'm really happy about it. If you have any comments or you want to know more about how to make keto bread rolls, please don't forget to leave your comments in the commentary box below, and I'll endeavour to answer them as best as I can. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm all in favour of eating a very low carb, high fat diet, and if you too are following this keto diet, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'll check you out in my next video. Bye for now. See you soon.